2 nights, 3 days stay at the Casa de Morales. What an adventure. I didn't have a whole lot to share with you, but I'll be back and the times will be great and you'll get to see more. Is Lucy? I'm West. West Goes Wandering. Trasharoo! It's where your garbage lives. Outside the place where other things live, so nothing smells bad. And it works really well. This product, as far as I can tell, has only one flaw. So you store all your stinkiest, most disgusting trash in a bag outside your car so it doesn't stink up your car, which is amazing. But all your stinkiest and most disgusting trash is very appealing to bears. And where do bears live? They live here, and here, and here, and here, and also there, and here, and they live everywhere. There's very few places that bears don't live. So you can only use your Trasharoo in a few places. So if you travel to cool places all the time, it's not as useful. I give this product a 3 out of 10 for being the least useful thing in most places and a really cool thing in very few places. This video has been brought to you by Mother Nature, the best mother nature could ask for. Remember to go outside. It's nice out there.